have a little bit of a gun gripe for you. The thing is that I don't agree with states' laws that curtail the Second Amendment. I don't believe they have a right to do it. A lot of people say, well, the Bill of Rights said that there were certain powers left to the people in the states. Okay, I understand that. But let's just say that, you look at the Bill of Rights and it says that the First Amendment is the right to free speech, the Second Amendment is the right to bear arms. And a state says, you know what, so many people are writing junk in the newspapers and online and in magazines that we're going to have to curtail the First Amendment. And from now on, anything that gets published has to go through our Ministry of Truth. And if it doesn't follow our test and criteria for being a truthful statement or something which is not offensive, it cannot be published. I'm pretty sure you would see a big case up for that going all the way up to the Supreme Court saying that that's unconstitutional. Well, I live in the state of Connecticut, and basically it's a gun-free state now. And I believe that's unconstitutional. So all these states that make up all these silly laws saying you can have this, but you can't have that, or you have to buy a gun in this process, and all this stuff, I don't agree with that. I feel sorry for all the people who move. Let's just say, you live in one state that's very pro-gun, like Texas, and you move to a state that's very anti-gun, like New York. You move there, and you can't even bring your rifle, which you legally owned, for how many years, could have been a family heirloom, something left in the wheel, and now all of a sudden, you can't have it in that state. Or you can't have that magazine. That's a deadly weapon, that magazine. I don't believe in that. You bought it legally, sometimes with your own money. It's a 100% legally owned firearm that was accepted in one state. Why is it not accepted in another state? That makes no sense. You have the Second Amendment right to keep and bear arms. Regardless of what type of arm they are, where they were purchased, you should have a right to have that pistol, that rifle, whatever it is. And that's just my opinion. Take care.